Okay.
I need my stimulus check, yeah. Honey.
Alright guys, we gotta bring some type of joy in this tough situation we in right now, you know. If you guys haven't seen that video, man, that's hilarious. I came across that and it was just funny to me. So I had to share with you guys, you know, we gotta bring some type of joy, some type of smile, some type of laughter in tough situations, you know, even dealing with COVID, we dealing with, you know what I mean, the stimulus checks, we're dealing with the world, we're dealing with every day, you know what I mean, everyday things. So I'm trying to make you guys brighten your guys' night/day, depending on whenever you're seeing this. You know, this is the Chime stimulus update. We're gonna go talk about the direct deposits. We're gonna talk about when the official date is there official date. So you guys want to stay tuned, especially when it comes to Chime. You guys know this is the #1 channel for Chime information. I said it. The #1 channel for Chime information when it comes to banking, when it comes to saving money. You know, we have 21 Savage. We were talking about saving money. The 50-30-20 rule. We was also talking about the Chime credit builder card. You know, with that you can build your credit by just using your card. You're building your credit. Just using your card like a debit card, you're building your credit. But there's so many different benefits. There's so many different ways of building your credit. But we're going to talk about this Chime stimulus. And I'm actually going to be pulling out some screenshots for you guys from other people who have the Chime, you know, and who expecting to receive their stimulus checks. Now, if you guys have Chime right now, you guys don't have to worry about trying to sign up again. But if you guys are new to Chime and you just come across this video, if you guys want to sign up with Chime because you guys heard so many good things about Chime, just use my link in the description. Very, very simple. Use the link in my description and you guys can sign up. I actually put it up there. But this is coming strictly from a customer, and this is coming strictly from a member, I should say, a Chime member. Now it says, for those of you who are still waiting for your stimulus deposit, like 1 a.m. I pulled my IRS transcripts and saw it says my credit will be issued on January 4th, so be patient. I know we all needed it yesterday, but it should be there early Monday or Tuesday. I myself am considering moving to a brick and mortar bank. Chime was good a few years ago when I had bad credit and needed to get a restart. Now that I've got my credit up and I've had success with an auto loan and some credit cards, it's time to move on to bigger and better things. So we're just going to have to hold out till the weekend is up and we'll get a little relief. So basically we're gonna have to hold out until the weekend. Now, a lot of you guys were saying, you know, Chime processes during the weekends. I've had Chime processes during the weekend. I've had deposits on Sundays, Saturdays. Me personally, I have not had anything happen on a Sunday. Now we have another member who said they just received their deposit and it's Sunday. Now, with the way this world is, I'm not putting it past nobody that you could probably receive your payments on Sunday. You know what I mean? Probably, if you watch this, you probably already received them, or just be on the lookout for receiving them. But typically, and this is from the Chime website as well, they do not process on the weekends. It's Monday through Friday that they process. Once again, Monday through Friday is when Chime processes. But with the way the world is today, I am not surprised people are hitting on Sundays and having deposits and having their stimulus checks on Sundays. So with that being said, let's go on to the next one. And if you are new to Chime and want to download, use my download link as well. You'll get paid 4 days faster. You get $75 just for signing up. And it's a very, very simple way. That way you can save credit, save money, and then you'll also have a checking and an account, or checking account and a routing number as well. So you'll have that linked up as well. Now this member said, everyone watch out for your accounts. I just got my stimmy. I don't even know how because it's Sunday, but my stimulus check just hit my account. So like I mentioned before, guys, with the way 2021 is and the way 2020 has been, you know, it's a new year. I am not surprised that unordinary things are starting to happen, especially when it comes to stuff that's already being processed. You know, basically our stimulus checks are already in the air, you know, it's being a process. So I'm not surprised if people receive their stimulus checks on Sundays. If you have received your stimulus check on Sunday, let me know. It's the end of Sunday, so let me know if you guys received your stimulus check. If not, guys, still drop the comments below, because Monday should be the day. We're hoping for Monday or Tuesday. You know, we're hoping for Monday or late Tuesday. A lot of people have been asking me, hey, I got my check earlier the first check earlier. You know, now they talking about this wave around there actually late, and due to delays, you know, you got holidays, the weekends, you know, so it's very tough right now. You know, if this was all during the middle of the week, it would have been a lot more easier, but like you got towards the end of the week, we got the holidays, then you also, like I said, with the weekends with nothing being processed. But we're hoping for Monday, Tuesday. Like I said, if you guys have already received your stimulus checks, you know, drop those comments below, because a lot of people are saying they received it, but they can't actually withdraw the money or use the money. So it's like, geez, it's another wave of that. So I haven't received anything. You know, I will keep you guys updated. But if you received it and was able to spend it, salute to you. I hope you guys spent it well. You know, I hope you guys just make good choices, man. It's 2021. You know, every choice and everything that we do matters. You know, you want to make those smart choices. You know, so this is the perfect opportunity. If you don't have Chime, to download Chime, and this is the perfect opportunity to save that money. You know, there's stimulus checks. If you guys heard anything about a third stimulus check, you know, there's still rumors out. You know, I've been checking the news and stuff like that. There's still rumors out there about a third stimulus check. So if you guys got any news regarding a third stimulus check as well, drop those comments below. I'm not 100% sure, but we always know things get updated by the second. So by the time you guys are watching this, you guys may already hear about a third stimulus check, fourth stimulus check, you never know. But hopefully you guys are doing the right thing out there, you know, staying positive, staying loyal, staying blessed, stay true, stay you. You know, I'm going to end this video off. If you guys got any questions, drop those comments below. I'm going to help you guys, you know. Yeah.